question is solve the quadratic equation by factorization, and this is our equation. So we have 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Now we transfer these two terms onto the other side and we obtain 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we take the products of 5 and negative 15. So 5 times minus 15 gives us minus 75. And now we split minus 75 into two factors such that their sum must be equal to minus 22. So we split this as 25 and 3, and we need minus 22, so it will be minus 25 and plus 3. So if we take the product, we get minus 75, and if we add the 2, we get minus 22. So therefore we could write this equation as 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we could take 5m as a common factor in the first and second term. So we have 5m, and within brackets we have m minus 5. Now in the third and fourth terms we could take 3 as the common factor. So in brackets again we'll have m minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have the two factors. So we have m minus 5 into 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore either m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we obtain m is equal to 5. And from here we get 5m is equal to minus 3. So therefore m is equal to minus 3 by 5. So these are the two values for m. The question is solve the quadratic equation by factorization. Now the equation given here is 2x square minus 2x plus half is equal to 0. Now the next step is, in order to eliminate the half, that is this particular term, the 2, okay, we multiply throughout by 2 and let's see what we get. So multiplying throughout by 2, we get, now this term into 2 will make it 4x square. Again minus 2x into 2 will make it minus 4x, and half into 2, half into 2, that would make it 1. So we have plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we factorize this, now 4 into 1, 4 into 1, that gives us 4, a positive 4, and we need minus 4 at the center. So this could be split as minus 2 minus 2. So we have the factors 4x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now taking 2x common from the first and second term, so in brackets we have 2x minus 1, and taking minus 1 common from the third and fourth terms, we'll again have 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So basically we have 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This in fact is nothing but 2x minus 1 the whole square. This is actually 2x minus 1 the whole square. Now if we take the square root, so taking the square root on both sides, we'll obtain 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore 2x is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to half. So basically here the roots are real and equal, right? Both these roots, the roots are repeated over here. So we have x is equal to half. The question is, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. So the equation given here is x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we could express plus 1 as minus of minus 1, right, is equal to 0. And we know that iota square, the imaginary unit square, is equal to minus 1. So therefore this could be written as x square minus iota square is equal to 0. And now we could apply the formula a square minus b square, and we have our factors. So this would be x plus iota into x minus iota is equal to 0. So we have the answers. So if we consider x plus iota equal to 0, so the value for x is equal to minus iota. So this is the first answer. Or if we consider x minus iota equal to 0, so from here we have the second value of x, which is equal to iota. So these are the two values, plus and minus iota. The question is, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Now the equation given here is 9x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now 9x square could be expressed as 3x the whole square, and this positive 4, this we could write this as minus of minus 4 is equal to 0. Further, we have 3x the whole square minus, now minus 4 could be expressed as 4 times minus 1, right, is equal to 0. Now minus 1 could be replaced by iota square, right, the imaginary unit square. Now we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. So therefore we obtain 3x the whole square minus 4 iota square is equal to 0. And now we could easily factorize this, but before that we could write this as 3x the whole square, and this could be written as 2 times iota the whole square is equal to 0. And now we apply the formula a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, correct, is equal to 0. So either 3x plus 2 iota is 0, or 3x minus 2 iota is 0. So from here we get 3x is equal to minus 2 iota. So the first value for x is minus 2 iota by 3, and from here we get the second value. 3x is equal to, this becomes positive 2 iota. So therefore we have x is equal to 2 iota by 3. So these are the two values for x.